As you know, the guide bar, like its name suggests, it is vital in guiding the movement of the chain. And depending on the specific chainsaw you have, the types of jobs you're doing, and your personal preferences, there's a lot of different guide bars to choose from. And we know that can be overwhelming. So to simplify your life and help you find your match, we've created a consistent line of professional grade bars through the sizes and categories of our saws. With our X line, we have 4 types. First, there's the X Precision guide bars, which are the bars recommended for our more precise cutting equipment, like battery saws, pole saws, and our top-handled saws. Next, you've got the X-Force guide bars, where we can accommodate 40 to 70 cc chainsaws in both 400 and 500 series that run 325 and 3/8 sprockets. Then there's the X-Tough guide bar. From the 55cc Rancher series in the 455 all the way up to the 3120 XP. Laser cut solid steel, replaceable sprocket nose, and pure performance in the 16 to 36 inch length, a real cut above the rest. Now we've got the X-Tough light guide bars. We've recently partnered with Sugihara to create lightweight bars that decrease the weight up to 15% over our high performance solid RSN bars. With this partnership, we are able to lighten the load for any tree professional with guide bar lengths from 20 to 36 inch. For those taking notes at home, there's one other thing worth covering: the difference between laminate solid steel and Sugihara bars. Laminate guide bars are simply layers of materials used to gain strength and reduce weight, while solid steel laser cut RSN guide bars, like the name suggests, are solid steel and are built to last and perform. Lastly, Sugihara X-Tough light guide bars are where hell meets the highway. Proven performance with a brand that backs it up. High performance metals with high temp resin pockets to take the drag out of lugging your saw around. As you can tell, there's a lot of nuances with guide bars. We wish it was cut and dry. Get it? Whatever. Until next time.